In today's video, we're going to learn how to wire up a switched receptacle where the power comes into the switch first and then goes over to the receptacle. This application would be good if you didn't have an overhead light in your room or you wanted to switch your outside plugs for Christmas lights or something like that. Now, this is going to be part one, and then like most electrical installations, there are several ways you can do this. But again, this is power into the switch over to the plug. And you can check the show description for the tools that you'll need. And don't forget to wear your safety glasses. Okay, so we're going to have our power coming into our switch box, and then it's going to leave here, and it's going to come all the way over here and switch our receptacle. So let's get to the switch first. First, let's take care of those ground wires. So we'll pull these wires out of the way. Get them wrapped around the screws in the direction that you're going to be tightening them down, and you're going to use your red Robertson or your number 2 screwdriver. And then we're going to just twist this guy to this fella here. Use our linesman pliers to get a little tighter twist on there. And then cut off the extra that we don't need, and we're going to shove him inside. So the power is coming in on the right side, and then this cable here is going to go to our receptacle. So this is the neutral wire. The neutral wire has to pass right through. We do not switch our neutral, so we need to connect these two together. Take your wire strippers. Get about 1 inch of wire. Use our linesman pliers, and we're going to twist these guys together. And I'm going to assume at this point that you know how to strip and twist wires. And if not, I'll put a link right here. You can watch another video on how to do this. Add a wire nut. Make them nice and tight. Push them in the back. So now we're left with the power coming in and the power going out. These two wires go on our switch. So we have to get these two ready to mount on our switch. So about 1 inch of wire. Put a hook into it. This side as well. Put a hook. So here's your light switch, and always remember that the screws are going to point to the right side to be in the right position. If you put it in this way, your switch is going to be upside down. The order in which the wires go on doesn't really matter, but make sure you wrap it in the direction that you're going to tighten it down, and use your green Robertson. Nice tight connection, but not too tight that you're going to break your switch. And wrap them to, some people have a particular order they like to do, power in, power out, but the switch is going to work either way. So there you have it. Quick recap. Neutral wire comes in, attaches through, power in on our switch, and then power out to our plug. And then take your green Robertson and mount the switch to your box. Now, once again, the power is going to come in on this line, go through our switch, and go over to our receptacle. Okay, let's get our ground wire in. Now, our ground wire also has to attach to our outlet. So we're going to wrap that around the screw in the back there. Tighten him down with our red Robertson in the direction that you tighten the screw. Make sure wrap that wire around the right direction. And then we're going to put a hook in the end of him because he's going to go on our receptacle. We'll just leave him for now. This is still our neutral wire, and this is still our hot wire. We don't need these quite this long. And then we're going to put some hooks in this. Now, in this particular video, I'm showing how that we switch the entire receptacle, the top and the bottom. I'm going to make another video after this one that will actually show you how to switch half of the receptacle. So here's our receptacle. We have a silver screw, we have a gold color screw, and then we have a green screw. So the ground wire goes on the green screw. We use our green Robertson to tighten him down. And your other two wires, your neutral wire always goes on the silver screw. Okay, so we're going to add him in first. And remember to wrap it around the screw in the direction that you're going to tighten them down. Too much coffee today, I think. And the screw that you're not going to use, I like to sink them in as well, just so they don't have a chance of shorting out on your box. And then your hot wire, or the black one, is always going to go on the gold screw. Once again, green Robertson. Tighten down the unused ones. And then you have this wire sticking out, so we're going to shape that wire up into the box that way and give a little bend down this way. And then take your green Robertson and tighten him in. And then use your flathead screwdriver to mount your plates. And now, if you have your circuit wired correctly, you plug your light in and turn it on. You see you have power on the bottom and on the top. All right, thanks for watching. And if you got value from this video, would you please consider liking and subscribing? And don't forget to come back for more lessons.